solar panels and utility poles in that area. Meanwhile, Ahmad is still speaking cheating. The command says it has intervened in 182 cases within schools in Jalingo alone to prevent criminal attacks on students and school property. For the strengthened community engagement,
Go back.
the NSCDC Taraba State Command says it remains resolute in curbing vandalism and enhancing security across the states. In Jalingo, I am Rejoice Useniaro.
Thank you, Rejoice Useniaro, for that report. The United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, says it has been providing more than 30,000 liters of water daily to victims of the Yawata attack, temporarily camped at International Market, Makurdi. Its water, sanitation and hygiene specialist, UNICEF Enugu Field Office, Mrs. Rebecca Bolatito Gabriel, disclosed this at the camp on Monday. Bolatito Gabriel said that UNICEF provided water to ensure that each individual has access to at least 15 liters of water daily. She explained that the organization had procured and installed 2 water bladders which supplied 10,000 liters of water to the victims and revitalized and abandoned boreholes at the camp. She said the aim was to ensure they start using the available 36 water system toilets at the camp to improve hygiene and prevent infections. The Muslim Rights Concern, MURIC, has condemned the killings of some members who were traveling to attend a wedding in Plateau Street. Professor Aisha Akintola, founder and executive director, Muslim Rights Concern, MURIC, in a statement, slammed the Plateau State governor for seeking to trivialize the attack on Muslim travelers by his policemen. The group described the attack as most horrendous, totally egregious, and categorically preposterous, just as it referred to the governor's statement after the attack as an unapologetic apology. He said the brutal killings occurred because the Muslim travelers lost their way and inadvertently ran into a tense and volatile situation in Bangui, a community grappling with sustained terrorist attacks. It said, MURIC finds this disturbing considering several massacres and killings of Muslim travelers along the same axis. The Action Alliance, AA, has issued a stern warning to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, urging it not to alter the list of its 36 state chairmen and Federal Capital Territory leadership, as well as members of its National Executive Committee, currently published on the Commission's official website. The warning, delivered in a statement over the weekend and signed by the party's National Secretary, Reminde James, followed what the party described as credible intelligence suggesting that some top members of the party were allegedly lobbying INEC to alter the existing list submission by the authentic national chairman, Chief Kenneth Udeze. AA vowed to resist any such attempt, warning that any move to change the leadership list would be a violation of multiple rulings and could attract contempt proceedings against INEC officials. The party emphasized that the certified true copies of the Court of Appeal judgments have been made public and conclusively.
Yes, you can't take it. Leave me alone. I'm busy. Can't you say I'm busy?
The Nigerian Meteorological Agency has forecast a mix of sunny, cloudy, and rainy weather conditions across the country from Monday to Wednesday. In its weather outlook released on Sunday in Abuja, NIMET predicted sunny skies with patches of cloud over the northern region during the morning hours. NIMET said by afternoon and evening. Isolated thunderstorms with moderate rain would be expected in parts of Taraba, Sokoto, Adamawa, Kaduna States, among others. According to the agency, on Tuesday, thunderstorms with light rain are expected over parts of Sokoto, Zamfara, Katsina, Jigawa, and other areas in the north, experiencing sunny weather with patches of clouds.
Go and bring dustpan for me.
The agency said moderate rains were forecast later in the day across Bauchi, Gombe, Adamawa, Kano, Kaduna States, Zamfara, amongst others. NIMET advised the public to take precautionary measures as strong winds might precede thunderstorms. The agency also urged people to avoid driving during heavy rain, disconnect electrical appliances during storms, and stay away from tall trees due to
Where's
the
the
risk of
dustpan?
falling branches. The National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, has identified hunger and
Where's the
poverty
dustpan?
as major drivers of insecurity across Nigeria.
Look at this here. Go and bring the
The
fan.
tackling them is essential to achieving lasting peace and development. Ribadu spoke on Monday at the National Security Seminar themed Combating Hunger and Poverty for Sustainable Peace and Development in Nigeria, organized by the Alumni Association. This, he said, includes support for food security initiatives, enhanced law enforcement, and infrastructure development to boost agricultural production and distribution. Ribadu added that the Office of the NSA continues to coordinate both kinetic and non-kinetic approaches involving the military, intelligence services, security agencies, and civil actors to confront the security crisis. The news continues after the break. Stay with us.
In a world where information inspires change, growth, peace, and development, Ghana TV is proud to be